Hello everyone from Majorel. Today we will show you three types of computer sets that we use in our company. Our first computer set, Chromebox PC set. Our second computer set, Green Dot PC set. And our third computer set, Window PC set. Our Chromebox PC set includes the following equipment: 2 monitors, 2 HDMI cables, 1 keyboard and a mouse set, 1 Chromebox PC and an adapter, 2 power cables, 1 headphone, 1 Ethernet cable and 1 camera. I will show you how to make the connection on the Chromebox PC set. There are the following ports on the back of the Chromebox PC: HDMI input, USB and Ethernet input, and power input. First of all, we connect our adapter to the power input. We connect the USB cables of our keyboard and mouse to the USB ports. Connecting HDMI cables to the HDMI inputs. We connect our internet cables to the internet port. We connect the 2 power cables from our set to the power input on the back of the monitors. Power inputs of the monitors are here. We plug our power cables correctly. Before moving to our second monitor, we also connect our HDMI cable. The HDMI cable input is here. We must be careful when connecting HDMI cables. First look at the HDMI input on the monitor, then look at the HDMI cable and plug it in correctly. We do the same on the second monitor. We get our internet cable. The modem in everyone's home may vary. We connect it to ports such as GE0, GE1, G2, G3, or LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, and LAN 4. Then we connect the power cables to the socket. Our computer connections have been made. The monitors and our Chromebox are working. The power button of our Chromebox is located here. We connect the camera to any USB port on our Chromebox. I prefer the front USB ports here, but you can also connect it to any of the rear USB ports. Finally, we connect our headphones to any USB port on the Chromebox. Our Gringot PC set includes the following equipment: Gringot PC, Gringot PC adapter, mouse and keyboard, internet cable, Gringot monitor, and headphones. I will show you how to make the connections in the Gringot PC set. First of all, we take our computer and place it in the slot behind our monitor so that the power button stays on the top. We push the computer placed in the slot with our finger. We slowly tighten the two screws on the back without pulling our hand. We can tighten the screws here with our hands. We do not need any tools. We connect our Gringot adapter to the yellow colored power input under our monitor. As you can see, the end of our adapter is also yellow. We connect the internet cable to the inputs on the side of our computer. Here is the input for the internet cable. Then we connect the USBs of our keyboards and mouse to the USB ports on our computer. We close our side cover by holding the cables of the equipment we have connected. We can press the button here to open the cover again. We connect our internet cables to our modem. We can connect it anywhere where it says LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, and LAN 4. We connect our adapter to the power outlet. As soon as we connect our computer to the electricity, the green light comes on bottom right side of our monitor here. And on the top side of our PC, we are waiting for our computer to turn on. While our computer is connecting to the internet, we can connect our headset to any USB port on the back. After the system is turned on, you can log into the system with the login information sent to you. Our Windows PC includes the following equipment. Visually, we used two monitors, but your project may use a single monitor or dual monitors. The same goes for our camera. It may not be in some projects. One of our monitor cables is the VGA cable, mouse and keyboard, internet cable. The other of our monitor cables is the HDMI cable. 3 power cables for projects using 2 monitors, headset, and our computer case. I will show you how to make connections on the Windows PC set. First of all, we take our image cables. This is the VGA cable that I hold in my hand. This is the input place on the computer. Please pay attention to this part when connecting the VGA cable. After the inputs are seated, we gently tighten the screws on the top and the bottom of the cable. For the projects using the second monitor, we plug the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on our computer. We connect the USB ports of our keyboard and mouse to the USB ports on our computer. Please make sure that you have plugged them in correctly. We connect the internet cables to the Ethernet port. We connect the other end of our modem. We can connect it to any port that says LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4, or GE0, GE1, GE2, and GE3. Then we connect one of our power cables to the power supply and connect it to the electrical socket. Connect one end of our VGA cable to the VGA port on the back of our monitor. Please be careful when inserting the VGA cable. Tighten the screws gently after inserting the cable. We connect the other one of our power cables to this port on our monitor. We connect the power cable that we have connected to our monitor to the electrical socket. For our friends working on the second monitor projects, we connect the end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port of our monitor. Most monitors have an HDMI lettering on the bottom of the HDMI port. We plug the power cable connected to our monitor into the power. We connect the power cable that we have connected to our monitor to the electrical socket. We press the power button on the front surface of our case. If a camera is used in this project we are working on, we can connect our camera to any USB port on our computer. This time I chose to connect it to one of the front USB ports. We can also connect our headset cable to any of the USB ports. Now our computer is ready to use.